Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Cybersecurity 101. Well, this is the playlist I'm starting to explain about the basic concepts of cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity, principles of cybersecurity, different type of attacks, terminologies, and few basic things that are related to cybersecurity or that cover most of, you can say, the beginner knowledge for cybersecurity. This is for the people or the audience who are yet to know that what exactly is cybersecurity, what exactly we mean when we say cybersecurity. Though it is a very vast term, but I'll try to cover as much as basic topics I could using this playlist. Okay, this is a very basic definition of cybersecurity that I've picked from Microsoft documentation. So if you see that cybersecurity is a set of process, best practices and technology solutions that help protect your critical systems and network from digital attacks. Very simple, very informative, and you should be very clear after reading this 3 lines, right? Now, as more and more people are working, more and more data is getting collected, right? And because people nowadays are able to connect from anywhere to do their office work as well. So this has led to bad actors, or you can say hackers, have responded by developing a sophisticated methods for gaining access to your resources and stealing your information, right? It can be your username, password, it can be getting access to your system, and then through your system getting access to more and more companies' systems, servers, critical assets which carry tons of useful information, right? And then sabotaging your business or extorting money, right? Every year the number of attacks increases. Adversaries develop new methods of evading detection. So although cybersecurity, security programs, tools, technologies, integration of AI, machine learning is getting effective day by day, but on the other side, attackers are also getting effective, smart, and they are also developing techniques to steal data from us and from our company, right? So an effective cybersecurity program includes people, processes, and technology solutions that together reduce the risk of business disruption, financial loss, and reputational damage from an attack. So if you see, effective cybersecurity program include people as well. Not only the tools, technologies, process, it includes people as well, because we have to educate our team members, companies, employees, to make sure that they are not affected by the cybersecurity attacks, right? So this was a gist of cybersecurity. We'll cover more topics that will help you to achieve more knowledge when it comes to cybersecurity 101. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.